So in this video, we're going to open a modal using a button element. So let's add the modal first, and then the button element. So the way we do this is first you add this data x toggle to the button element custom attribute. So you add that and you add the value of 1. So save this and let's preview the page. It won't open, so let's get the data x toggable attribute here, and then it says that you need to get the element ID of the modal. So let's get the element ID of the modal. So right click here, the modal toggle, and you'll get the ID right here. So here, let's copy this and place it, add it to the custom attribute of the button. So you just paste it here, grab the ID, cut it, remove the quotes, the equal sign, and paste the ID as the value. So save this, and let's reload the page again. Let's try if it'll open. So it works. Hope that helps.